My name is Phil LaHaye from LaHaye Associates. The packing list that I sent you and the parts that I sent you are as follows. First, we have the 3/4 inch flow switch, which consists of the housing, the bonnet assembly, the shuttle, which goes on the bonnet assembly, and the stainless steel keys that hold the bonnet assembly inside the housing. You will also receive a 1-inch flow switch. Now what I'm going to do next is show you the way that the bonnet is removed from the housing. The noise you hear in the background is our African gray parrot. So you put a flat tip screwdriver onto the stainless steel key and simply push it forward. And the keys will pull right out. At which time you can wiggle the bonnet and just slide it out from the housing. The shuttle okay. So to reassemble the flow switch, you simply put the shuttle onto the shaft of the bonnet, slide it back in, seat it, insert the keys, and they will slide in easily, just like that. And then I usually seat them with the screwdriver. The flow switch housing is also, I have one copy of the flow switch housing which is sliced in half so that we can see how everything works. And the bonnet slides in there. So as you can see from this housing that's been cut in half, the bonnet assembly sits down inside the housing. The shuttle moves up and down the shaft of the bonnet assembly. On top of the shuttle are 2 small magnets. These magnets, as they slide up, will close the reed switch which is contained inside the shaft. I have a multimeter set up to the ohms position, and this one is set to make a noise when you have continuity. Okay, so the shuttle, as it moves up the shaft, reaches a point where it activates or it closes the reed switch and the switch is activated. And it'll hold it all the way to the top. But once it falls below this point, and that's how the reed switch works inside. So the placement of the reed switch inside this shaft is quite important. As I have previously discussed, these stainless steel keys are used to attach the bonnet to the housing. A better way is to use a device like this. This is the only one that I had, which is why I did not send it to you. That will go in, push forward, and it's much easier to use than the two stainless steel keys. The other items that are included in the box are a short piece of 3/4 inch PVC and some 1-inch couplings. The current arrangement that I purchased consists of two different housings, a 3/4 inch housing and a 1-inch housing. 3/4 inch goes in there, 1 inch goes in there. And what we may consider is that one housing can handle both a 3/4 inch PVC pipe and a 1-inch slip coupling. So the 1-inch slip coupling would then go over this end or this end. This is obviously too large for that to happen now. If we make the housing this way, then we eliminate the need to have two housings, and we can do both with one housing. The last item I've included is the gray PVC box, which I sent this so that you would have it, and we will talk about this after we complete the other project. So if you have questions, please email me, or we will talk on Messenger. Thank you very much. I look forward to working with you.